Welcome back to Miss Letter's Calculation Station where things add up. This is the Algebra 2 final review, second semester. So on question 1, we want to evaluate this. If you just hit the math button on your calculator, which is right here, it says math, where'd it go? Right there. You just touch the math button and you scroll down to number 5, then you can go ahead and type in the 6th root and then 7,908. Hit enter and it wants 2 decimal places. So I did number 5, which looked like this, and I got 6.55 as an answer. So make sure that you round 2 decimal places. Look to the third one. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round to the next number. On question 2, we have the cubed root. To undo a cube, I always think of it like this. X minus 16, a cubed root is the same as being raised to the 1/3 power. And to undo the 1/3 power, you're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, and that undoes it. And now I just have x minus 16 equals 2 cubed, which is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 equals 8. Add 16 to both sides of the equal sign. And that gives me x equals 24. On number 3, same thing. Here, if we want to undo that power, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. And the reciprocal of 4 is 1/4 to both sides. Those 2 cancel, leaving me with x minus 3 equals 81 raised to, and I use those little caret right there, raised to the 1 divided by 4. A fraction is just a fancy schmancy way of doing division. And 81 to the 1/4 equals 3. Add 3 to both sides of the equal sign. And I get x is 6. Notice how I am not taking any shortcuts on here. Number 4. On here, you're going to do the same thing as we did on number 1. You're going to hit the math button and go down to number 5. So I'm going to hit that math button. I'm going to scroll down to number 5. Oops, number 5. And I'm going to plug in 3, move it over, 320. And since this is a fraction is just a fancy schmancy way of doing division. And I'm going to divide it by the math button, number 5 as well. I'm going to go divide it by math number 5. Oops, be careful. That's a good thing I did that. So I'm under the radical, so make sure that you get out of the radical before you hit that division sign. And math number 5, and then I'll put that root 3 and the 5 right there, and we get an answer of 4. Go ahead and flip it over, and I'm going to make a new video on the next page. Don't forget to like and subscribe.